Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to convert image to Word in your laptop or PC. So let's get into the video and search for I love PDF. Head over there, and as we want to change our image to Word, all we have to do is click on JPG to PDF and select a JPG image. My one is in desktop, and once you're okay with it, click on convert to PDF and download your PDF. Once your PDF is downloaded, head over to convert PDF to Word because we want our image in Word. So select a PDF file, head over to your downloads and open it. Once you have selected it, convert it to Word and download the Word file. And if you open it, you can see your image is converted to a Word file. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.